built for the ultimate city ride. Its high silica compound and large contact patch, with computer-optimized grooves and siping, delivers serious grip, rain or shine. With improved traction and braking, it boosts safety and rider confidence. With up to 25% longer mileage, you go further on every run. An asymmetric tread with micro grooves omits you that stable grip for confident cornering. Rainy commute? No worries. Its water dispersion system has you covered. Its reinforced casing glides maintains its shape under load. Lightweight design reduces unspring weight, giving you responsive handling in every twist and turn. Feel the control, own the road, morning to night. This is the Maxus Victra S98 CT. Built for the city, made for the ride. Maxus, urban performance that moves with you.
All right. Now, let me share with you some, I would say, important information when it comes to riders. And I'm not sure if you guys know about this. When we did our survey, did you know that most of riders are very sensitive when it comes to noticing some performance failures from tires? Not only that, of course, mas mabilis silang, sorry to say, accident or a vehicle, a motorcycle mishap can happen. Now, sila po ang mabilis na magpalit and sila po ang mas mabilis. You know why it's mabilis? Not only just the compounding, because if they feel one slip, as a rider as well, one slip, I feel like, okay, I'm not confident using this one. Papalit na ako agad. Even if makapalit siya. That's a very sensitive thing about riders. Pangalawa dyan, they don't care about the price. Okay? Believe it or not. Okay? Some will try the most affordable in the market. But after trying it, they will now look for a better alternative because they can now compare performance. And this is the trend. Okay? And isa pang piece of information that is, I would say I was surprised too. Most riders nowadays are looking for comfort. Before, it wasn't an issue for us. We just don't care. If my tires are noisy, I don't care. My bike is noisy anyway. So, but this time, scooters, may mga sakay, okay? Mag-iisip sila, naiingay na sakay nila. Ang pinakawaling information na dapat nalaman ng mga riders is, riders, whenever magbabago ang load nila, they don't change the air pressure. And we know this. So, isang typical na halimbawa, ang bus rider, magtatrabaho yun the whole week. In the weekend, kasama niya ang pamilya niya, magsasakay siya ng 2 tao, minsan, isa lang. And they would not change the air pressure or adjust the air pressure. And this affects performance of the tires. That's why we are very careful whenever we're bringing in scooter tires. It's a growing segment in the market. Those are the things that they demand from us. Okay. Now, if they want a good metropolitan mobility, we are now recommending for them to use the Victra S98 CT. CT stands for City Tourer. City Tourer. Okay, thanks. Now let's talk about the tread pattern. It may look simple for motorcycle, but it will still give you, there are purpose and functions of those voids and lands. Una dyan, Maxus, we have incorporated a longer siping or grooves. Okay? Sipes and grooves. These are designed to displace water effectively and fast whenever you're running on wet ground or wet road. Okay? Also, as you can see, we have decreased the shoulder voids. So, much larger or optimized ang shoulder mo is because of your banking. Even scooters, they wanted to do their banking. They wanted to maneuver their scooters in a way that sport bikes do, believe it or not. So they needed more confidence in doing so. They wanted a grippier tire on the shoulder part. That's why we optimize our shoulder profile. Okay. Another thing that's very important is the increase of our footprint. Okay? As you can imagine, it's rounded already. Okay? There's only a very small portion in contact on the ground. So changing the profile of the sidewall and the architecture of the tread, we were able to increase a much larger contact patch on the ground, which makes your riders safer, or they can safely maneuver whether they are running on a higher speed or cruising speed or even urban speed, which is mostly traffic. Now, there's one thing that you would see is those akala nyo lang is parang ginuhit lang. These are what we call our micro grooving. This grooving actually helps you with two things. One, relieve stress on the tread. So whenever you do banking, your tread will not crack.